Alright guys, so this is part 1 of the Camaro take apart piece by piece, and so what we're taking apart today are these nice little window shades. We're taking those off. This one isn't much better than the one we have in the Firebird, but the passenger side one is pretty good. So luckily it looks like it's pretty straightforward. Just need a screwdriver. You gotta undo like 3 screws per, so see if I can get this loose. Yep, so really it looks like that's all that's holding on. There's just 3 screws. Makes things pretty easy. You can see how cracked the glass is. Pretty brutal glass thing. That came off by itself, looks like, from the impact. Well, someone might have wanted to try and get something and tried ripping it off, I'm not sure, but yeah. Pretty messed up. Alright. Oh, alright. There's a nice little spring in there. Huh. Don't know what that's for, but yeah. So, here, take a look at it. Yeah, so, goes up right in there. Nice little hole to hold it into. Huh. Interesting design. So, yeah, that's a easy thing to take off and swap to those who might be interested. Cool. So, looks like, yep, that one on the passenger side, same design. So, yeah, nice easy mod. And also, this is holding up the, oh, I forget its name now. The roof, pretty much, but yeah. Headliner, there we go, yep. So, it also acts as a hold to the headliner, so cool. That was a smart design. Alright, we'll get to the other side and see what we can do. Well, you know what? 1 screwdriver, luckily I have 2. Move this out of my way. Yeah, so luckily this is a real easy part to take off if the screws are winning. Not sure this one's going to be. There it goes. Yep. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, really easy to get these off. I'm not sure if you can get custom made ones or not. I haven't been looking online for anything like that for a Trans Am or a Camaro in the 90 or the last generation. So I don't know if they make those, but if they do and they're in the right spec, this is really easy to do. So definitely good for a guy that's not really mechanical. Oh, that one's stuck. This one's actually nice. You see it has a bit of a bend to it, but the one on the driver's side, it already had where this is cracked all the way through, and so it's just like a little flap. Todd's Trans Am has that problem, so should use this. We'll probably use this one on the passenger side, replace when he's got it now. All right, hold on a second. Gotta see if I can get this loose with a big screwdriver. Well, I'll do it with both hands. Well, this guy is pretty stuck. No, wait, there we go. Alrighty. Yep, need 2 hands. Now it's coming off. The hard part about this is it's kind of dark in here. Probably take out the headliner, and since it's white, because this metal's painted white, that would probably help out with lighting in here. Be able to see a little bit better, because it's pretty near dusk, but it's kind of dark in here. That's screw number 2. And the final screw. Oh good, that one's coming out nice and easy. Sorry about the camera angles. I'm holding the camera and doing this at the same time, so if you're sick, I apologize. see what I can do in the editing. But yeah, little window visors. What is it? Now I forgot the name of what I'm working on. Window shields, visors. Yeah, that is what it is. Really easy to take out. It also holds the liner as well. So interesting. So I might take this out. We'll see. Anyways, but yeah, really easy to do. So sorry. There we go. So yeah, really easy to do. This is very crusty too, so yeah, probably take this out so we can see a little bit better. Might make it a little bit easier to see, but yeah. So got the window visor out. Part number 1 of the taking this Z28. Ooh. Let's see if I can get that. That'd be cool. So I looked at this. Got the nice little Camaro. Look at this. Look at that. Got a nice little Camaro piece of plastic. So I just figured that out. As soon as I turned the camera off, I just reached back there and able to pop it out. I like that. I like easy. For GM too, it's kind of nice because, oh yeah, look at that, just pop. You can put it right back in. And for me, it's wonderful because I can just pop it right back out. Alright guys, so just took out the this is the headliner. You gotta watch out to this edge because when that grass broke, it threw some back underneath, so pretty sharp stuff under there. But anyways, yeah, it's really easy to take off. You have the 2 plastic pieces here that holds on the back. Coming to the side, you got the plastic sides are usually here that hold it together on the side. Also, you had the visors as well that held them right in this hole here. And then you have these plastic pieces along the side, speakers, etc. And all you have to do is that they're not actually around this at all. There's actually an insert in the headliner itself that they were able to just put it around the seatbelt mount. And then all you have to do is come back here. This little plastic thing got a little bit left up there, but other than the parts that ripped off, they're really easy to get off. You have to do like one side at a time, but once you do that, it's pretty easy. So happy with that. And by the way, look up there, nice and white. Lightens up the interior a lot more without that in there, so that'll make it easier, at least for me, to see. So pretty cool. I'm impressed with how easy it was to get rid of that. So makes me happy because now I'll be able to see a little bit better back there in the interior. So that's nice. But yeah. So I think pretty much done for today. But let's look at my conquests of stuff that's cool. We got the special. This is the hood mount. Well, actually the nose, off the nose. This is all flexible. It's not hard at all. It's a flexible decal. It's really cool. Really easy to get off too with a little chisel. And then also got the interior plastic Camaro piece. So that's cool. And then got Todd's visors that he wanted. So this one, the south passenger side, really in good shape. And then this one, this is the driver's side. Not so good, but yeah. So that's part 1. Just doing a little interior work, and that's pretty fun. So cool. So yeah, we'll see you next time on the Combustion Guys, and a lot more stuff is going to come out of this car. A lot more. So thanks for coming along. And what's fun is we got to work around all this glass. That's not fun. I don't like glass, sharp stuff. Anyways, but yeah, having fun. So that's good, and also just learning what I need to shift or wiggle or get loose to get things out. That's pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my explanation of what I'm doing, which I've never done before. And see you next time. Yep.